So today we are going to host the WordPress website from localhost to live, absolutely free. You will get a domain, SSL certificate, and of course the free hosting with the new method. So first let's get started. We need to first install a plugin on localhost. Now the plugin name is WP Vivid. So this is the plugin we need to install. As you can see, it is a quite popular one. So we need to install this. So click on active. So essentially we are doing is we are creating a backup of our database and file, which we will upload it on the plugin of the live website of WordPress. So we need to create a backup. So create on backup, make sure that the database plus file are selected and save backup to local. So click on backup. So this will create database and file, and essentially everything will be backed up, and it you can download it in your local storage. So as you can see, the backup has been completed. Here you need to click on download. Click on download again. So here is the backup which we just recently created. It's been downloaded. So just close this one. We are going to host this website. So go to infinityfree.com, and if you're a first time user, you need to register it, but to select login. Here you can create 3 accounts at most. So I'm going to create account. So there are a couple of options, but you need to go with the $0 one. So here you need to create a subdomain. So it will check is that the domain available or not. So let's type the domain, check availability, and yes, the domain has been available. So this is the account password. Click on I approve and create the account. So here the account has been successfully created, and here is the domain, but currently the site will not be open because we does not have anything. Now click on control panel. Click on I approve. Here you need to go to this app installer. So here from we are going to install WordPress. There are many software here, but we are going to go with the WordPress one as we have the WordPress website. So here is the domain name, and click on, here is the user ID and password. Click on install. So we need to give the admin username for now, but after we upload our localhost project, this is going to be changed. So for now we can type anything. Here is the email. So the software has been installed, and we need to go to this link, and yes, the WordPress has been started. For now the website is blank because we does not have anything in this website currently. So we are going to install a plugin. That same plugin we are going to install it on the live website currently we are running. Click active. Now here click on upload and upload that file. So here is that file we just created few minutes early. Click on upload. If you have a big website, there may be multiple files you need to upload. If this plugin creates multiple files or parts of the file, you need to upload that. Don't worry about that. It's also absolutely free. So the file has been uploaded. So click on restore. Click on OK. So as you can see, the restoration has been completed. So we are going to log in with that particular account. So let's check the website, is it properly restored or not. So as you can see, the website has been live instantly. So that's it for this video.